Your storage is full. Windows slows down, apps lag, and frustration builds up.
Check out WinSxS now. WinSxS is Windows System Component Store. It holds essential files, updates, and libraries that keep your OS running and secure.
Is it safe to delete WinSxS files?
Manually deleting these files can cause severe system errors. Windows may fail to update or even refuse to boot. Windows provides safe ways to reduce its size. Search Windows PowerShell. Click Run as administrator. Input command DISM.exe online cleanup image StartComponentCleanup. StartComponentCleanup will remove old patches and components, safely reducing space. And here are the verified results. Second option, add /ResetBase. If you want stronger optimization, cannot roll back old updates. Let's see the results. ResetBase doesn't make a big difference. But ResetBase locks your system at the current patch level. You can't remove old updates anymore. Small gain, big risk. This is why Microsoft recommends using ResetBase only in special cases, when you absolutely do not need to roll back. Thank you for watching the entire video and wish you success.